Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Kasho Healthy TV. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to reduce belly fat in the comfort of your own home. If you've been struggling with those stubborn inches around your waistline, this video is for you. So, let's jump right into it. Before we begin, it's crucial to warm up your body. Start with a simple warm-up exercise like jogging in place or jumping jacks for about 5 minutes. This will increase your heart rate and prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Now that you're warmed up, let's move on to some effective exercises that specifically target belly fat. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to do these exercises at least 3 to 4 times a week. Our first exercise is the classic crunch. Lie flat on your back. Bend your knees and place your hands behind your head. Now, lift your upper body off the ground, engaging your core muscles. Exhale as you come up and inhale as you lower back down. Repeat this for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, we have Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly while keeping your back straight. Hold your hands together in front of your chest. And twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground on each side. Perform 1015 repetitions. Now, let's amp up the intensity with mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position, keeping your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Begin by bringing one knee toward your chest, then switch legs in a fluid, alternating motion. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds of mountain climbers to get your heart rate up and burn those calories. Exercise alone isn't enough to reduce belly fat. A healthy diet plays a significant role as well. First and foremost, focus on maintaining a balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar intake, as they can contribute to belly fat accumulation. Another important aspect is portion control. Be mindful of the quantities you consume and try not to overeat. Eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day can also help boost your metabolism. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to reduce belly fat at home. Remember, it takes time and consistency to see results. So be patient and stay committed. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and make healthy food choices. Together, they will help you achieve a trimmer waistline and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness content.